Welcome to the Interdisciplinary Science Department on the campus of Savitribai Phule Pune University. Our department conducts 3 innovative courses which are interdisciplinary in nature, namely BSc Blended, BA Liberal Arts and Masters of Design. All these programs are very innovative in nature, giving multidisciplinary education to the students in branches of science, liberal arts and design. There is a lot of blended teaching learning that is also associated in this department. We also have facilities for undertaking research, projects, internships and skill-based courses in this department.
I am Nachiket Gujar. I have done Masters of Design from NID, Masters of Architecture from Pune University, and I am the Assistant Professor and Coordinator for Master of Design program at IDSS. Master of Design program consists of 4 semesters with a limited intake of 20 students. Students from diverse backgrounds can enroll for this postgraduate design program, viz. Bachelor of Engineering, B.Tech, B.Arch, B.Design, BFA are eligible for this master's program. In this program, students are exposed to several design domains. Apart from the popular product, graphic and UX design, students get to learn parametric approach, design management, user research and research methodologies. Interdisciplinary approach has been adopted in IDSS. For example, humanities subjects like photography, history and heritage are also included. These subjects are spread across initial 3 semesters. The 4th semester or the final semester consists of internship with a graduation project in one of the chosen design fields by the student. Skill-based hands-on workshops have been conducted by experienced and eminent experts of their respective fields. To list a few, Mary Goon, a graphic consultant from Netherlands, gave a crash course on color psychology which lasted for a week. Sangeeta Jain, a senior designer and faculty from Dubai, conducted an in-depth course on graphic design for a week. Architect Anto and Architect Saili jointly demonstrated furniture workshop where students not only designed but also manifested their ideas by executing the prototypes in the studios. This is one of the most cherished projects by the first batch. Marcus Hotblack, then a senior designer at Tata Motors, had visited to review students' work. Marcus had displayed several of his artworks during our annual festival alongside students' works. Architect Deva Prasad demonstrated automation with parametric approach. Deva heads the robotics lab in BNCA Pune. Young designer Siddesh Vaze has extended his support for product design and package design workshops. Siddesh is the lead designer in Pune. Namrata Raj, a senior UX designer from a top MNC with specialization in human interface, is our UI UX expert faculty. 65% of the students from first batch have been placed.
A lot of the time what happens is when you pursue your design education, you have to stick to a particular substream and then continue with your education. And what basically that does is it lets you choose an area of specialization which becomes your stream after you pass out. But in an interdisciplinary course, what happens is we are introduced to all of the streams in the beginning and then we are made to choose what we want to pursue and then stick with it. But on the way, we gather information of all the streams at once. Because when I did my engineering, it was completely textual theory and all those we referred to books. But in our design education and on top of that being an interdisciplinary course, everything was done on a very practical basis. We didn't refer to all the books or any of those books in case, and all of the teaching that was done to us was practically, we had been given modules to complete per week. We did not have a preset structure to complete the portions as it is done in other streams. Rather than we were taught things on one go in one particular thing.
Now, if you want to grab this opportunity and enroll for Master of Design, please visit Pune University website unipune.ac.in. All the related information can be sought on the website.
We invite you to join on this exciting journey of interdisciplinary teaching, learning and evaluation methods at the Interdisciplinary School of Science.